What's going on, y'all? Today is an update on after the cold weather we just had. Zone 9B, Florida. It's January the 13th-ish, I think. But these are my little baby carrots, my purple carrots. Got a couple of them over here, some more over there. But they're coming up, and the cold didn't mess with them. Nice and pretty. I've got these little peas growing here all across, and it didn't hurt them at all. It did touch this a little bit, this potato that's growing up here, sweet potato. But other than that, everything seems to have made it. Come over here, this crazy tomato plant. It's already set fruit on it, and it's keeping, or not fruit, but blooms. And it's just keeping them on. This little sweet potato plant, it's still growing. It looks like it just got touched a little bit on there. And this beautiful little tomato plant's still growing. My bananas, you can see they didn't get hit too bad. I feel like I'm in my own little microclimate over here. So when it says that we're gonna freeze, I don't really freeze over here. And I contribute that to the water in the pool and the lake that's not far back that way. My Barbados cherry did good. Everything else, yeah, everything's done well. These beautiful things are putting off blooms and seeds. This is my Okinawa spinach. And so now I have some seeds. Ooh, where are you at? There it is. I can just pull those off right here. And look at all those beautiful seeds that are in here that can either be saved and replanted. Right now, I'm just letting them do their own thing. Let the wind take them. Where they go, they go. And that's how I'm trying to propagate that. These seeds that are on here, this is a Tulsi, holy basil, needs trimmed back. But I just take these seeds and I just let the wind take them, and where they grow, they grow. Over here we've got some beautiful blooms off of this Okinawa spinach. Just kind of like, here's the plant, and then this runner goes straight down, and it's just put off all kinds of flowers. Pretty cool. And here's a little pigeon pea that I planted, and it's also got some blossoms on it. I have this one over here. It looks like it's starting to get some blossoms. My third pigeon pea over here, it also has the blossoms. I came out here the other day, and this peach tree has a ton of blossoms. You look at that. This isn't the same peach tree that I've had. I think this is a nectarine. I'm really not sure. I know that this is a peach tree. This is a galaxy peach tree. We can see what's going on with it. We have some of these little buds that look like they're gonna bloom out here on the budwood. These are lateral coming out, and like this is the old wood. This is last year's wood, so this is 2-year-old wood. This is last year's wood, or should Yeah. And then this, what comes out after I trim it, will be this year's, or the new growth. And that is what what will set the fruit. We'll have the fruit. This big guy over here is a black sapote. It had a couple little blooms on it, or little things on it when I got it. You can see, where is it at? My camera acting funny. Just like these little buds in between the flowers. I mean the leaves. You can see the little buds in between. I'm not sure if that is what produces the fruit, but that's what it kind of looks like, how it works. These are very exciting to me. I think that's pretty neat. Got the blossoms on. Got this one right here. That's a fingerling lime. Let's come over here. Go down this row. My garlic is doing pretty good over here. And got some more garlic here. Got some other things growing in here like potatoes. Got another potato. That potatoes are doing good. These are just white potatoes. They're doing good. Got some more potatoes coming up. This one is an ice cream bean tree. It's growing nicely. Turk's cap. It's a white one. Some more stuff growing in here. It's in here. Got sugarcane and ginger and other things all throughout too, growing. We'll see what happens with all that stuff. This is just my raised. This is what I consider my raised bed. It goes all the way around. Moringa, lychee, another moringa. Here I got my potatoes. I have some tulsi. Got some more carrots over here that are growing. Some garlic. Some butter crunch lettuce. It's doing very nicely. It wasn't very badly touched by the freeze. More potatoes. More garlic. More potatoes. More tulsi. And I got some more tulsi with this little banana. And tulsi, all the green stuff you see over here, it's tulsi. And tulsi. And in between all of the tulsi, we have some carrots, and we have some Brussels sprouts, some other things that were sprinkled in through here. Let's come over here. Right here, we also have some baby carrots coming up. Right here, look. Oh, look. It's popped up all the way, didn't it? That one looks like it might be ready. We have our first harvest of a radish. There's the radish. Looks like it's split down the side a little bit, but it's fine. Oh, where we at? Not bad for a radish harvest. First one I've ever grown. And that one's popping up too. So maybe that one also is ready. Pull it up and let's see what's going on in here. Oh, look at there. We have another radish. There's another one. I guess we have our first radish harvest. The other ones aren't popping up like that one, so I think I'm gonna just kind of leave them in here and see what happens. We got us 3 little radishes out of today's harvest. That'll go nicely in a salad. Okay. Let's see what else we got going on over here. Nice. The spinach is doing pretty good too. Really like the colors on the top. Nice addition to the garden. We also have some onions growing. I also planted some Tulsi in here. It's doing fine. We have some of these over here growing as well. Another onion. Thinking this stuff is broccoli, but I'm not still too sure. We'll figure all that out. Let's see what's going on over here. Some more Tulsi. This one is doing all right. That one doesn't look like it was gonna make it. But we got this growing in there. Onions, scallions. Oh yeah, there's the butter crunch. That is such good lettuce. I'm just letting it grow underneath this big pumpkin avocado. We'll see what happens with that. So that's just a little quick walk through. Got some things to do today. Let me see what we got. Something over here that's blooming. Oh, nice. We have some pretty yellow flowers. Something over here went. Got something growing here. Some pretty yellow flowers. Well, that's all I got today, y'all. Still chilly. And my radishes are doing well. So, that's all I got today. Y'all have a blessed day. Like, subscribe, share with your friends.